It is officially 2026, and if your closet still looks like a fast fashion crime scene from 2 years ago, we really need to talk. The problem is that trends die faster than your New Year's resolutions, but style, that is forever. So today, I'm helping you burn the bad habits and build the ultimate 2026 wardrobe. No logos, no hype, just 10 essentials that make you look like you own the building, not just a hoodie. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna start from the ground up. We need to stop wearing performance running shoes or basketball shoes to nice dinners. Unless you are literally about to sprint a 5K right now or are hooping, they just make you look like a confused dad on vacation. For 2026, you need to ground your outfits with minimalist leather sneakers. Why? Because they are the black canvas of your wardrobe. They work with a suit, they work with jeans, and most importantly, they don't look like you're trying to impress Gen Alpha. Axel Arigato makes leather sneakers with amazing quality. They're clean 90s in particular. Keep them clean, keep them simple, and you will look amazing. Next up, we need to break your addiction. You are probably wearing jeans right now, and you probably wore jeans yesterday, and you're planning to wear them tomorrow. We need to stop defaulting to blue denim for every single occasion. It's lazy and boring. The upgrade you need for 2026 is high-rise pleated trousers. In 2026, we want volume and drape. A single or double pleat gives you room to move and creates a beautiful vertical line down your leg that actually makes you look taller. They are just as comfortable as your jeans, but you look like you own the company and you stop looking like a boy. Spear & McKay makes some amazing ones, and if you want the best of the best, get yourself a customized one from Suit Supply. Trust me on this one. Since it's winter, let's talk about outerwear. Puffer jackets are fine if you're literally skiing or if it's really cold, but in the city, you look like a walking sleeping bag. You want to upgrade to a wool overcoat in a brownish or black color. That is the cheat code. It immediately broadens your shoulders and fixes a bad outfit. You could be wearing pajamas underneath, throw this on, and you look like a CEO. That is the power of a good outerwear. Reese is like the final boss when it comes to high quality and nicely shaped overcoats. But you can also get some from Uniqlo if you're on a budget and can accept some quality compromise. Speaking of looking sharp, I see too many guys wearing slides with socks in public. You are not an NBA player warming up. Stop it. Get some help.
Stop it. Get some help.
If you want to look classy and put together, which is what we always talk about on this channel, swap the slides for leather penny loafers. They are the ultimate hack for looking effortless. Wear them with jeans, wear them with chinos, it just works. Suit Supply sells them made out of real Italian leather, which is also why they look beautiful. And if you're more on the budget side, Massimo Dutti is also pretty well known for decent penny loafers. Now, let's address the basics. T-shirts. Please stop buying those packs of 3 t-shirts for $10. They become see-through after one wash and the color looks like bacon. Invest in t-shirts with thicker and denser fabric. The key here is structure. The heavier fabric drapes better and actually makes it look more muscular. It's a no-brainer. That's basically the secret to all those people who look amazing just with a t-shirt. COS offers some beautiful thick t-shirts which really complement your silhouette, especially if you work out. Once you have that tee, you need something to dress it up. But the era of the stiff, shiny, skinny suit is over. Get a textured navy blazer. Think of this as a hoodie for adults. It feels soft like a cardigan but looks like business. Suit Supply has the best blazers in terms of looks, quality, and price. If you're still looking for something cheaper and are okay for compromise of quality, you can also check out Mango or Zara. If you need a shirt, the standard white dress shirt is boring. The white Oxford cloth button-down, or OCBD, is the classic alternative. The roll of the collar gives you character, and the rougher fabric gets softer the more you wash it. It's the shirt that says, I didn't try too hard, I just happened to look this good. You will never go wrong with buying Oxford cloth button-downs from Charles Turwitt, which is literally what they're known for. Now, I know we all love comfort, but sweatpants are only for the gym. I don't care what TikTok says. Swap the sweats for tailored chinos. But, and this is key, get them tailored. The hem should hit your shoe perfectly. No bunching at the ankles. That specific detail is what makes it look expensive. Massimo Dutti offers some amazing high quality chinos with very reasonable prices. If it's chilly, avoid the hoodie. Hoodies tend to make you look like a teenager in his rebellious face. Merino wool crewnecks make you look smart. They are thin enough to layer under that blazer we talked about, but warm enough for a cool evening. Stick to neutral colors and you can't go wrong. You can get some from Bogi Milano if you want the best of the best in terms of quality and refinement, and Massimo Dutti for decent quality as well as decent pricing. Finally, take off the smartwatch that buzzes every time you get a message. It's just stressing you out and doesn't even look good. Get a simple analog watch on a leather strap. It doesn't have to be Cartier. It just needs to tell the time and look beautiful. Tissot has some amazing watches with leather straps and vintage looks that give it so much personality. Seiko also has some amazing watches which are inspired by Cartier's shape and numerals. Both, of course, for a reasonable price. And there we go. 2026 is the year you've got to stop chasing trends and start building a timeless wardrobe that will also be relevant in 10, 20 years from now. Let me know in the comments below which essentials shown in the video you would buy. And if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.